Hello.
Hello. Yeah, good
Yeah, good
morning.
morning. Good morning, all. Good morning.
Uh, I think people have joined in.
Okay.
So, सबसे पहले sir, any one of you would actually want to take up your issues first, or we can give you a brief. Yogananda, you can just start with the issues basically. कि जो drawings, whatever drawings we are getting, what are the major issues due to which the drawing is getting failed in the pre-check and then further in the scrutiny. So we can start off with that, and then we can take up individual queries.
Yeah, yeah. No. Actually, I'm able to see most of the drawings are coming error with the block. But let them say what is their problem, because accordingly I can explain what they have to do and what they should not do in the drawing.
अक्रम जी, मनीष जी, like any one of you, आप लोग का कोई query है regarding the drawings that are be submitting, तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. You can put up your points. I think, sir, we will wait for more people to join in. Meanwhile, you can just tell the issues basically.
No. Basically, issues they should say. Then I will give the solution, because
Okay.
whatever, if it is a training means, I will explain the user manual how they, because all the people are already trained. Now they
Correct.
want them to get clarified with the queries regarding pre-check and scrutiny.
Okay. Praveen ji, do you have any query?
जी.
So please share your queries. So Yoganand
मेरा
sir.
भी यही बड़ा इशू रहता है ब्लॉक वाला.
क्या बेसिकली इशू है सर, बता दीजिए.
मतलब देयर इज ए ब्लॉक लिखकर आ जाता है उसमें, फिर उसके बाद मेरे से सॉल्व नहीं होता तो मैं फिर टीम को भेज देता हूँ.
No, that is what I will explain you, sir. Because what you people are doing is, whenever you are inserting a block,
जी.
the insertion point of the block you are keeping outside the color 61 boundary.
यस यस
So
यस.
yes, so what happened whenever the file is getting completed, when PDF is generated, when it is plotting a PDF, we will say display. So if I say display, what will happen? Automatically, the block insertion point will be on the other topmost corner and drawing will be on the lower left corner. So for
यस.
that reason only, what we are saying is kindly either keep the insertion point inside the color 61 boundary, or otherwise explode the block. That is up to your convenient. You can do it. That is the problem people are facing. And one more thing, by layer and by block, there is some object present in smart DCR layer, by layer and by color. What you people are doing is, say for example, you are selecting the layer is floor ground, plot boundary is color 7, but normally what you people are doing is you are just giving selecting as by layer or by
Okay.
block. That is not accepted because by layer by block is different. The plot boundary color should be color 7, that is white color. So
Okay.
similarly,
Okay.
setback boundary is color 10. What you people are doing is selecting the layer floor ground, and instead of color 10 you are selecting by layer or by block. So that is why the error occurs that there is some objects present in smart DCR layer in by layer or by blocks. So many cases I have sent a screenshot to change and resubmit it. Automatically your file will get completed. This is the pre-check error. Two errors are often coming is, one is block and another one is by layer by block error.
Okay. 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 तो इसको एक बार
Uh,
तरीका बता देते हैं इसको
Yoganand
रिमूव
sir,
करने का.
Yoganand sir, do you have any sample drawing which you can show and so that they can better understand the issue?
No, daily drawing is coming, but if they have any drawing, they can you can share it to me. I can open it and I can return drawing. Any drawing anyone is having, I can share, or otherwise I need to take from the server.
Praveen ji, do you have any of your drawing जिसमें ये pre-check का error आया block से related, so I can share and then he can explain.
एक सेकंड आई विल शेयर.
Okay.
No, I myself having, I will just
Okay, okay, sir.
share my screen. So my screen is visible.
जी जी जी.
Yeah. So
यस.
here a block in layer 0 by name site plan is found outside. It is color 61.
ओके.
Yeah. So in your drawing now you are able to see.
यस यस यस.
So what I will do is I will ask you to redefine the block, or otherwise simply if I explode it, now what will happen?
ओके.
Now again no blocks are there.
ओके. ओके. ओके.
Now you can say purge and
रिमूव कैसे हुआ सर?
pardon me.
रिमूव कैसे हुए सारे ये
No,
ब्लॉक्स?
no, explode it. You can't remove it. You will explode it, or otherwise whenever you are placing the block, use the insertion point inside the color 61. Say for
सिलेक्ट
example,
सिलेक्ट होल ड्राइंग्स.
no, not all drawings, only the block.
ओके.
I have selected in quick select. I have selected only object is block.
ओके.
So what will happen if you are not selecting it? Where the problem occurs is,
जी.
1 minute, I'll show you. After your file gets completed,
यस.
we will say plot.
Okay.
So it will not come correctly as because the insertion points are outside the blocks.
So, right,
That's the
right.
reason we are showing that error. For some cases, it will work properly. For some of the cases, it will not work.
Okay.
Yeah, 77 objects are there, 77 blocks are there.
Yes.
Fan கொஞ்சம் slow ஆ போகுது.
Praveen ji, are you following what steps are being followed?
Yes, I am full.
Okay.
Yeah. So similarly, you explode it and you can resubmit it.
Right, right.
You can see, no, all the grip points.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it should not be away the color 61. It should be inside the color 61 because these are
Right.
the insertion points. So what I'm doing is I'm just exploding it. So if I explode it, automatically it will get clear. But what is my suggestion is you keep
Yes.
the block insertion point inside the color 61 boundary.
Okay.
Yeah, and similarly, other I said bilayer error. No, that bilayer error is what normally what you people are doing is say for example floor ground.
Okay.
This color is 134,
Right.
right? But some people what they are doing is just they are selecting it as bilayer or by block.
Yes, 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 yes.
That is why that error is coming. There is some objects present in bilayer or by block
Right.
in smart DCR layer. So color 7 should be color 7.
Okay, right.
That is the two major issues you people are facing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Anything else?
एक ड्राइंग के बारे में हम और पूछना चाह रहे थे। एक ट्राइंगुलर अगर प्लॉट होता है हमारा, हेलो,
Yeah, proceed. Please proceed. Proceed.
अगर ट्राइंगुलर प्लॉट होता है तो उसमें
Okay.
चारों सेटबैक्स नहीं हो सकते हैं उसके अंदर?
No, no. This case was pending with the department long back. I have asked Ravi to get discuss with the department and confirm. So
और इसमें
accordingly,
एक
we will control it.
एक चीज और सर, इसमें हमको ग्राउंड कवरेज कम मिलती है, तो क्लाइंट हमको बोलते हैं कि हमको ज्यादा एफआर चाहिए इसके लिए।
No, no. You have to speak in English. I don't know Hindi.
द क्लाइंट वांट टू एक्सेस एफआर, एक्सेस ग्राउंड फ्लोर।
Okay.
They are getting accept setback.
Correct, sir. But what I'm saying is the case is pending with the department. I have
Yes, yes,
already raised the query with Ravi whether
yes,
in these type of triangular cases whether front and two sides to be checked or front and rear on one side is okay. So that
yes.
clearance we haven't received from the department.
Sir,
Kritika, please make a note and you can
Yes,
ask
sir.
Ravi to check this case.
I'll do
okay.
that.
I will also because so many times we have forwarded.
Yes, yes.
I will
बहुत
also
सारे,
make a I will also make a note, and once the department confirms, we will implement in the system immediately. Within a
बहुत
day,
टाइम।
we will complete it.
जी 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 जी, ठीक है। ओके।
You yeah.
यस, राइट।
प्रवीण जी, ये कहाँ का केस है, आप बता सकते हो तो आई कैन
You
टेक
can
इट
just
एज।
tell the file number, sir.
हाँ,
कोशी कोट का केस है, अभी हमने सबमिट नहीं किया फाइल सर। कोशी कोटवन इंडस्ट्रियल का है केस। मथुरा।
You can say the file number, please.
सर अभी हमने सबमिट नहीं किया फाइल।
No, no, but it's okay. You have not submitted.
यस यस।
Okay.
Posi Katwan Matra, I'll take it.
मैं आपको ड्राइंग शेयर कर दूंगा उसकी।
Yeah, yeah, please share it, sir.
यस।
प्रवीण जी, आपकी और कोई क्वेरी है?
बस जी हमारी बस इतनी क्वेरी थी।
Anyone else? Akram ji, do you have any query? कोई क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए?
मैम मैं अभी आपको ड्राइंग सेंड कर रहा हूँ, अभी उसके लिए बात करता हूँ।
अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है। मनीष जी, मनीष गुप्ता जी, डू यू हैव एनी क्वेरी? अक्रम जी, आप मुझे भेज रहे हैं क्या ड्राइंग?
हाँ मैम मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप कर रहा हूँ ड्राइंग।
अच्छा, ठीक है, ओके। ये गैलेक्सी A31 से कौन कनेक्ट है? एनी क्वेरी आपके एंड से? Yoganand, I'm forwarding the drawing
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have.
please forward,
Yeah.
please.
मैंने एक ड्राइंग भेजी हुई है आपको।
Yeah, first I will finish this, then we will go to the next one. You are able to see the error?
हाँ मैं, हाँ सर ये 2 एरर आते हैं हमारे
Yeah, yeah. No,
रेगुलर।
no, this is only one error. What happens? Plot boundary color 7 polyline is not closed. Error is very clearly written. Plot boundary color 7 is not closed.
जी
Okay.
ओके।
You see here, it is not closed. It is open. Just to say,
कलर
change
नंबर
it
7।
to color number 7. Yes. Plot boundary is
ओके
not closed. You just say yes. So what happens when it is checking it? Color number 7 is not there. It checks
हाँ
meter room. So that is why
ठीक
it is showing error that meter room is allowed only inside plot boundary, because plot boundary itself is not satisfied. That is why
हाँ हाँ
this error occurs. So if you correct this, automatically this error will be clear.
ओके सर।
That's all.
सेकेंडली, मैं एक बार और रिवाइज कर दूं कि वट एवर errors are there in the file that are actually shown in the drawing itself. कि ड्राइंग में किस पार्ट में प्रॉब्लम, से अभी सर ने दिखाया वो लाइन, कलर लाइन 7 कहाँ पे है, तो यू हैव टू जूम इट एंड देन सी कि एग्जैक्टली एरर जो आ रहा है वो ड्राइंग के किस सेक्शन में है. So
No,
that
no.
facility is
Yeah, yeah.
available.
That is 1 second. Now, this critical error, there is no hyperlink. For all other errors, for these type of errors, hyperlink is not there. When it is a normal error, just pick that and put control. Automatically, it will take you to the error location. So all errors are hyperlinked. Critical error and some missing mandatory item, that error will not be hyperlinked. All other errors will be hyperlinked. So you can just click and press control, automatically it will show you to the error location. The next drawing you have forwarded.
That is a PDF file that they have sent.
Now, what is the issue in that?
They will ask.
क्या ड्राइंग मैडम?
What is the issue in this, sir?
Praveen
What is
ji,
the, what
जी
is this
जी जी
file? What is this file number?
फाइल नंबर नहीं है अभी मैडम सर.
No, no, it is already processed the scrutiny, no?
नो
Hmm.
दिस इज स्कूटी.
Then you need to send us the drawing file.
ये मैंने इसलिए भेजी है. एक्चुअली अगर हम सेटबैक के अकॉर्डिंग इसका लेते हैं तो कवर्ड एरिया हमको कम मिलता है, ग्राउंड कवरेज.
सर दिस
और
Okay,
ये
sir.
ट्रायंगल प्लॉट के लिए आपने भेजा है ये?
जी जी
You
जी
say
ट्रायंगल.
you
ओके
send me
ओके
the original drawing, sir.
अगर हम इस सेटबैक के अकॉर्डिंग लेकर चलें तो हमको ये अप्रूव हो जाएगा ना साहब. मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था इसमें.
सर, ये इशू मैं टेकअप करके आपको कंफर्म करूंगी. आपने आप और मुझे
Before
ऑटो
that, you
कैड.
can send the drawing also. We will also have a look in the drawing.
ऑटो कैड ड्राइंग भेज रहा हूँ मैं अभी
Yeah,
आपको.
yeah. You forward me the DWG file.
जी जी.
Yeah.
डिटेल सेंड.
एनीवन एल्स, किसी का कोई और पॉइंट है ड्राइंग को लेके? इशू? आई थिंक सर यू कैन गो थ्रू द. Yeah, yes, share the AutoCAD drawing also. I forward it to you.
Yeah, that I will check and confirm
Later,
you.
yeah, yeah.
Later I will.
हेलो
Yeah, please tell me, sir.
मैम, ये प्लॉट नंबर का पहले भी हमने रिमाइंडर दे चुका हूँ. जो प्रवीण जी आपको फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं, पहले भी मैं इस पर डिस्कस हो चुकी थी.
सर आप किससे डिस्कशन हुआ है सर?
हेलो.
जी सर, किससे?
इस,
सर डिस्कस
ये
हो गया
प्लॉट
है,
नंबर
बट
इस
एक्चुअली
ये पिछली बार भी मैंने रिमाइंडर कराया था, लेकिन नो डिसीजन.
कुछ डिसीजन
सर
नहीं लिया गया.
सर डिसीजन जो है वो हमें लेना नहीं है, हमें अप्रूवल चाहिए. तो हम सिस्टम में चेंजेस करेंगे सो दैट ट्रायंगुलर प्लॉट्स का भी जो भी केस है वो टेकअप किया जा सके.
Sir, still the color drawing is not color coded. Color coded fully. You just color code it and send it. We will check and confirm you.
ओके.
You have not color coded. Only these objects are there in the drawing.
आई विल सेंड द कलर ड्राइंग.
Yeah, you just color code it and you don't use this type of layer and all floor ground hyphen 12. Why you are using floor ground hyphen 12? What is that floor ground hyphen 12?
अभी कलर कोडेड
What is
नहीं
that? What
करेंगे
is
इसको.
that? No, the first thing I would like to say is, say for example,
यस.
1 minute. So before starting the color code, what you people have to decide is,
यस.
you know how many floors are there in the drawing. Say for example, in this particular drawing, you don't have stilt, only ground floor, first floor, and
यस.
you have a terrace boundary. Okay, so what you have to do is, first thing you need to create 3 layers. One is called floor ground and floor terrace and floor one. In
ओके.
floor ground, all items related to site and mandate items like plot boundary, setback line, then color 61 landscaping and trees, whatever. You can just check the user manual itself how we have designed this. Say for example, objects to be drawn in floor ground or floor stilt or floor upper ground. So
ओके.
the first thing you need to draw is plot boundary. It should be in color 7. The next step what you should do is you should go for a building boundary. You have to do the building boundary. Then you need to go for the setbacks. So what we have mentioned is setback should be drawn as line, means you should draw only as line. You should not draw as a polyline. Then you will get an error icon that color number 6 setback line is not intended for polyline. Because whatever we have mentioned in the user manual, if it is line means you have to draw as line. If it is a polyline means you have to draw it as a polyline. Polyline you cannot draw as a line and line cannot be drawn as a polyline. Then after completing the setback, then you should go for the plot frontage. Plot frontage alone, color 96 should be drawn in polyline, that too as a open polyline. Because open polyline, if you check it, it will say that It is not closed. It is closed, not closed. Only one polyline which is not allowed is color 96 without close, because that is open polyline. We will, based on that, we will calculate the road width. Then after that, you need to draw the road width. So touching the side, you need to draw the road width. Then soft landscape, whether in your drawing soft landscape is applicable, you have to draw it. What you have to follow is soft landscape. You have to follow the color 60 and you have to do it, because based on this only your number of trees calculation and everything is calculated, and number of trees. So number of trees, there are two types of trees. One is evergreen tree and normal trees. One should be given in 93 color, and so many people, what they are doing is, say for example 20 trees means they are keeping trees hyphen 1, trees hyphen 2, trees hyphen 3, trees hyphen 4. No, here it is very clearly stated that if you in your plot you have 20 trees means you just draw one polyline, type text trees hyphen 20. That's all.
Okay.
And evergreen trees also you have to follow the same thing. If you have 7 trees, then you have to
Okay.
keep trees hyphen 7. So
Okay.
then plantation. In your drawing, plantation is applicable, you need to draw, or otherwise you don't need to draw. And similarly, the play field. And next is street parking, that is for school and college. If it is applicable, you can draw that. And gate. Gate should be drawn as line. In most of the time, I am able to see that some people are drawing it as a polyline. So please check the user manual. Whatever object we have given line means you please draw it in line. And next, guard room. This guard room shall be drawn as polyline only when you are using as guard room. Other than guard room, if you are using it as security shelter means you have to draw it in color 4,
Okay.
which I will show in the downstairs. And similarly, porta cabin. Only porta cabin should be drawn as 181 color. Some drawing you are using 181 color in the industrial area, which is not allowed. I will show you in the down. And similarly, servant quarters. These three text alone should be used in 181 color. And canopy is allowed, you have to draw in color 4.
Okay.
Then water closet, that too water closet outside the setback boundary only, it is allowed in 181. That is too applicable for toilet constructed outside the building. So you just check the user manual and then you can draw it accordingly. Similarly, the bath also, because we have separate rule for this outside the toilet and outside bath. That is why we have given a separate color for this.
Yes.
That is for residential and this is for commercial.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So if you are using, and this is for institutional, and for industrial it is 134 color.
Right.
So every land use we have given separate color.
Yes.
And these are the mandate items which should be drawn in floor ground or floor state. Okay.
Okay.
कृतिका मैम, मैंने आपको एक ड्राइंग शेयर की है, वो आप शेयर कीजिए, उस पर डिस्कस करना था।
मैंने फॉरवर्ड कर दिया सर को, एशियन पेंट वाली ना।
जी जी जी,
हाँ जी, कर दिए।
हाँ जी सर। जी सर। अब
सर इसमें इशू हमारा ये है, इसमें सीट तो हमारी काफी ज्यादा हो रही हैं, और जो हमारी स्कूटनी क्लियर होकर आती है पीडीएफ में, वो सिर्फ एक सिंगल पीडीएफ आता है।
What is the issue?
Yogananda sir, he's saying the drawing when the scrutiny report is generated, so it's a single report generated. However, I think there are multiple plots in this.
That is what as per our policy already we said no. I think Shiva sir also would have confirmed you. We generate only one PDF, because multiple PDF if generated and some malpractice will happen, and which will not be controlled from our end. That is the thing.
Okay.
Whatever drawn in color 61, that will be validated and we will give that PDF alone. Then that will be only sanction. If you want, after verifying it, officer need to check and confirm, because single PDF is not possible.
एक प्रॉब्लम ये होती है, अब ये अप्रूव होके आएगी डिपार्टमेंट से तो सिंगल एक पीडीएफ रहता है, इसका प्रिंट में जो है विजिबिलिटी नहीं होती है, वो देखता नहीं है फिर प्रिंट में।
नहीं, बट ड्राइंग तो आप अपलोड कर रहे होंगे ना, तो ड्राइंग अपलोडेड होगी और फिर आपको साइंड वाली ड्राइंग कॉपी सबमिट करनी है। तो स्क्रूटनी रिपोर्ट तो सिंगल पीडीएफ पेज में ही रहेगी, उसमें विजिबिलिटी का तो कोई इश्यू नहीं होगा।
नहीं, जो हम
नहीं,
डिपार्टमेंट को
पीडीएफ।
साइन वाली ड्राइंग करेंगे वो फिर अलग अलग पीडीएफ करें क्या?
Okay, you're gonna say he's trying to say कि scrutiny report is single, it's fine. But when after scrutiny the drawing is converted into PDF,
Hmm.
so in that case they're saying कि when a printout is taken or maybe the visibility is not that good. So
That
can
means
this?
we are giving it in A0 sheet. That is what that only drawing is for checking in the PDF, not for the print actually. We are giving it to only for check in the PDF. So say for example, this should not be used for the printing because our thing is everything is online, no? That is what we are generating in 1 second. I will show you.
Scale is not present.
So officer should zoom and see. This should not be used for the print. This is only for the digital signing of the drawing from the scrutiny engine. So they can download it and they can see all the details will be very clear. This should not be used for the physical submission.
अकरम जी, आप ये वाली जो पीडीएफ होती है वो आप मत यूज करिए, जो आप
अच्छा
फिजिकल
ठीक
साइन
है।
करके कॉपी करते हैं ना।
हाँ, तो हमारे जो प्रिंट आउट है अलग अलग शीट के, वो अपन डिपार्टमेंट को अपलोड करें ना।
डिपार्टमेंट के अपलोड वो कैसे हो जाएंगे?
वही तो स्कूटनी से जो क्लियर होगा ही वही तो अपलोड करेंगे ना हम।
पर आपको आपको साइन करके करना होता है ना वो अपलोड, बाद में जब स्क्रूटनी से अप्रूव हो
नहीं,
जाती है सेम
हम
फाइल।
तो हम तो
हम तो
पार्टी के साइड भी
पीडीएफ।
डिजिटल करा के और अपने भी डिजिटल करा के हम तो स्कूटनी वाली पीडीएफ को ही अपलोड करते हैं।
हाँ तो ठीक है।
लेकिन
वो
प्रॉब्लम यही
मतलब
आती है कि वो सिंगल पीडीएफ रहती है तो
नेम
इतने।
डिजिटल साइन कराइए, एलओटी एंड आर्किटेक्ट।
डिजिटल
हाँ
साइन होने के बाद
जी,
वहाँ पे सीन नहीं होती है ना, विजिबल नहीं होती है।
नॉन रीडेबल।
हाँ, नॉट
देखिए
रीडेबल कहते हैं ना आप
जो
लोग,
आप
नॉट रीडेबल।
डिजिटली देखिए जो आप डिजिटली साइन कर रहे हैं
जी।
वो जो ऑफिशियल पेपर वर्क होना चाहिए यूपीसी का वो फुलफिल करने के लिए है। बट जो उनको एक्चुअली विजिबल होनी चाहिए तो वो तो जो पीडीएफ है स्क्रूटनी के बाद जो आती है वो जूम करके उसको चेक कर सकते हैं उसमें।
लेकिन वो अप्रूव होके तो सिर्फ जो हम पीडीएफ अपलोड करेंगे वही आती है ना अप्रूवल के बाद में।
हाँ वही आएगी ना, उसी पे तो अप्रूवल मिलेगा आपको।
लेकिन उसका प्रिंट निकालेंगे तो वो दिखता नहीं है ना उसमें कुछ। तो कोई ऐसा
आप आपको
स्कूटनी
प्रिंट
में।
क्यों निकालना है फिर उसको, जब आपको पता है कि आपने जो ड्राइंग सबमिट करी थी ऑटो कैड वाली वही
हाँ,
स्क्रूटनी होके आई है, तो आपको वापस प्रिंट क्यों चाहिए उसका?
अप्रूव होने के बाद में।
वही मैं पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि आपको अप्रूव होने के बाद उसका प्रिंट क्यों चाहिए?
क्लाइंट को देने के लिए ना। क्लाइंट तो अपने पास रिकॉर्ड में भी रखेगा ना अप्रूव वाला
वो जो आपने
प्रिंट आउट।
ऑटो कैड की फाइल जो आपने अपलोड करी होगी फाइनली,
हाँ,
उसी उसी से आप प्रिंट निकाल के क्लाइंट को दीजिए फिर उसके एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए।
नहीं
वो
मैं
वो ऐसा नहीं होगा।
हेलो।
हेलो, सॉरी फॉर योर डिस्टरबेंस मैम। एक्चुअली में क्या प्रॉब्लम होती है कि क्लाइंट को यदि हम ऑटो कैड की फाइल यदि प्रिंट निकाल के देंगे तो उस पर एक्चुअली में आरएम के या सक्षम
सिग्नेचर।
अधिकारी के सिग्नेचर नहीं होते। तो विदाउट सिग्नेचर द ड्राइंग इज नॉट वैलिड, इज नॉट इक्वलेंट एज अप्रूवल एज दैट।
तो उसके सपोर्ट के लिए तो जो ड्राइंग अच्छा आप लोग कह रहे हैं कि हर पेज पे अलग अलग डिजिटली साइन होना चाहिए फ्रॉम
No, no, no,
द क्लाइंट।
no, ma'am. No, we are not saying like that. We are saying that
हाँ, बोलिए
वो
अनिल जी।
अप्रूव फाइल होने के बाद में द कॉपी शुड बी shown in our portal. That is, if it is shown in our portal, then we can give to our client. so he can use that drawing in compliances.
सर दिस ये थोड़ा मैनेजमेंट वाला इशू है, लेट मी डिस्कस इट सेपरेटली, फिर
नहीं, मैं थोड़ा सा क्लियर करूं इसमें। मैं योगेश त्यागी बोल रहा हूँ। इसमें आपकी जो ड्राइंग सैंक्शन होती है, पीडीएफ फाइल आती है, तो पीडीएफ फाइल तो
हेलो,
डिजिटल सिग्नेचर होने के बाद में आई जाती है
आवाज
हमारे
नहीं आ
पास में।
रही सर?
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही?
आ रही है सर, आ रही है, बोलिए।
आ रही है सर आवाज
आ
तो।
रही है। जब हमारी ड्राइंग सैंक्शन हो जाती है आपके यहाँ से, तो जो पीडीएफ फाइल होती है वो तो हमारे पोर्टल पे आई जाती है। उसका प्रिंट आउट तो हम कभी भी ले सकते हैं। और दैट ड्राइंग विद डिजिटल सिग्नेचर ऑफ आरएम एंड ओनर एंड आर्किटेक्ट।
Yes.
मैं अभी तक जो काम कर रहा हूँ, मेरे पास में तो ड्राइंग आती है पीडीएफ की, और
पीडीएफ
वही
तो
ड्राइंग
सर
मैं अपने क्लाइंट को दे देता हूँ मैं अपने।
हमारे पोर्टल पे एक्चुअली में शो नहीं हो पा रही है, वो कारण हम भी नहीं समझ पा रहे हैं एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट।
परेशान क्या मतलब है, देखेंगे।
नहीं, आप
आपकी कोई एरर आ रहा है
आप
तो उस
आर्किटेक्ट हैं?
जे योगेश त्यागी जी, माई सेल्फ आर्किटेक्ट पुष्पेन सिंह, यू नो व्हेन आई
अच्छा
मीट इन
अच्छा अच्छा
ग्रेटर
अच्छा
नोएडा।
अच्छा।
पुष्पेंद्र
हाँ हाँ
सिंह
हाँ,
सर।
पहचान गया पुष्पेंद्र जी, कैसे? अरे मैं
बढ़िया
ये पूछ रहा हूँ, आप आपके अपने पोर्टल पे देख रहे हो, आप निवेश मित्रा पे देख रहे हो?
जी, मैं अपनी पोर्टल पे देख रहा हूँ, ओबीपीएस का जो मेरा अपना पोर्टल है मैं
हाँ,
उस पे देख रहा हूँ, तो दैट इज
हमारे
नॉट
पे तो आ रही
विजिबल
है।
ऑन माई पोर्टल। पता नहीं क्यों,
हमारे पे आ
मतलब
जाती है।
तो हो सकता है कि मेरे पोर्टल के साथ में कुछ इश्यू हो। आई विल चेक इट
निवेश
इफ
मित्रा
देयर
पे
इज सम
देखो।
प्रॉब्लम है।
नहीं, ड्राइंग तो आया क्या साइन
निवेश
होकर
मित्रा
के
पे।
गलती में। लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये है ना, अगर 10 सीट का मैप है हमारा, तो वो कलर नंबर 61 के अंदर ही आता है पीडीएफ, सिंगल पीडीएफ बनता है इनमें स्क्रूटनी
हाँ
अप्रूव होने के बाद।
हाँ
ये
हाँ
भी
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
ड्राइंग
दैट इज अ इशू। जो ड्राइंग बड़े बड़े स्केल पे जो प्लॉट की ड्राइंग होती है, उसको जब हम प्रिंट आउट, भले ही चाहे उसको A0 पे भी निकालें, A0 से बड़ा प्रिंट आउट नहीं निकल सकता उसमें, तो उस पे भी वो कई बार रीडेबल नहीं आती है।
यस
हाँ,
यस
वही
यस।
प्रॉब्लम है।
यही तो मेन इशू है सर।
तो इसको ये से इसके स्पेशलाइजेशन कर दिया जाए, सीट नंबर 1 2 3, जैसे हम लोग ओल्ड फॉर्मेट में देते थे कि
हाँ
यदि
हाँ
प्लॉट का
हाँ
साइज बड़ा है तो हम नंबर ऑफ
हाँ
सीट इंक्रीज कर देते, तो नंबर ऑफ सीट ही बना दिए जाए और उसको उसी के हिसाब से साइन होकर आ जाएंगे सब पे।
हाँ। बट इनका जो सॉफ्टवेयर है वो एक ही ड्राइंग ले रहा है, वो
एक ही
नंबर
शीट
ऑफ
में
ड्राइंग्स
सर।
नहीं ले रहा है। इसको तो मैंने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था, रवि जी को बोला भी था।
ये
अच्छा।
चीज चेंज करनी चाहिए ना इनको।
या तो वो
सर
कलर
एक
61
तो
करें।
सर एक तो जो मल्टीपल शीट्स आप बोल रहे हैं, जो अभी भी डॉक्यूमेंट साइन होता है, आई थिंक आरएम सर कोई हो कनेक्टेड, तो मल्टीपल शीट पे साइन करने के लिए थोड़ा इशू आ रहा था, तो हम लोग ने उसको लिमिटेड रखा है। बाकी जो आपका प्रिंट करके उसमें विजिबिलिटी क्लियर नहीं हो रही है, तो उसके लिए क्या प्रोविजन हो सकता है वो मैं डिस्कस करके आई गेट बैक टू यू, क्योंकि
मैम
हमें
दो तीन चीजें मेरी सुनिए, दो तीन चीजें मेरी
जी
है, थोड़ी छोटी छोटी सी है। सबसे
जी
पहली तो एक मेरी शिकायत है कि आज 11:30 बजे मीटिंग थी, मेरे को 10:30 बजे मैसेज आया है।
हमने कल ग्रुप पे शेयर कर दिया था और सब जगह
नहीं,
कर दिया था मैंने।
हमारे पास नहीं आया। और हम
आप
ऐसा नहीं
अच्छा
है कि
एक
मतलब
चीज,
कोई
अच्छा योगेश
रेगुलर
जी,
आर्किटेक्ट
मैम
है।
हमारे पास
इफ
भी
यू
नहीं
कैन
आया।
हेल्प,
मैं वही
ओके
बोल रहा हूँ।
मेरे पास भी नहीं है, मैं
मैडम
ओके
ये
एक
कौन सा
सेकेंड,
ग्रुप,
आई
ये मैडम कौन सा ग्रुप है जिसमें आपने इंक्लूड कर
यूपीसी
रखा है?
यूपी सीधा वाले ग्रुप पे हमने डाल दिया था। मैं
मैडम
अभी ये
आपका
बोलती हूँ,
अपना
इस पे इंक्लूड करिए ना
आपका
हम
एक
लोग
अपना
को
सेकेंड
भी।
ग्रुप होगा।
प्लीज,
नहीं नहीं
कैन आई
नहीं,
स्पीक?
इनका अपना ग्रुप होगा।
एग्जैक्टली हम लोग को कोई मैसेज नहीं मिला, वैसे 10 बजे हमारे पास आया है।
अच्छा एक मिनट सर,
मैम दो
योगेश जी
तीन चीजें
कैन यू
मेरी सुन
हेल्प
लीजिए।
मी आउट, ये कैन यू हेल्प मी आउट टू क्रिएट अ
इन
ग्रुप ऑफ ऑल द आर्किटेक्ट्स स्पेसिफिकली फॉर द आर्किटेक्ट्स अलग से, जिसमें
मैडम हमारे
हाँ
पास में ऑलरेडी ग्रुप्स बने हुए हैं।
क्या मुझे
मैंने
ऐड कर
लास्ट टाइम
लीजिए।
भी, मैडम आपने जब लास्ट टाइम मुझको अप्रोच किया था, मैंने तब भी बोला था ट्रेनिंग के लिए कि आप मुझे एज ए सेक्रेटरी ऑफ आर्किटेक्ट एसोसिएशन नोएडा और अदरवाइज आर्किटेक्ट एसोसिएशन ऑफ यूपी, हमारे पास में ग्रुप बना हुआ है, आप वहां पे भी अगर अपने आप को रखते हैं तो वहां से आपको पूरे पूरे यूपी के आर्किटेक्ट मिल जाएंगे ऑन ए सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म।
बट
देयर
आई
आर
वुड,
अराउंड 600 आर्किटेक्ट्स।
योगेश सर थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब करूंगा। आई वुड रादर सजेस्ट कि आपके पास यूपी सीडा के ओबी पास जितने रजिस्टर्ड आर्किटेक्ट है सबका नंबर है। व्हाई कांट यू मेक योर ओन ग्रुप?
नहीं, मेरे पास सबका नंबर नहीं होगा ना।
नहीं नहीं, मैं कृतिका मैडम से बोल रहा हूँ, उनके पास सबका नंबर
हाँ
होगा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, आप बना दो।
आप अपना ग्रुप जो रजिस्टर्ड है ओबी पास में, यूपी सीडा में,
इसको
उनका
ठीक
ग्रुप
है,
बना
आई
दीजिए
आई
एज अ
क्रिएट
रिलेवेंट
इसको
पर्सन।
इसको कृतिका मैम, मैंने पहली मीटिंग में ये प्रपोज किया था कि जो हमारे रजिस्टर्ड आर्किटेक्ट्स हैं उनका सबका एक ग्रुप बना दो।
उनकी में
ग्रेटर
बात
नोएडा में
हुई
आप लोगों ने
थी
किया हुआ है।
योगेश जी,
हाँ,
वहां बात हुई थी, तो यहाँ पे नहीं बोला गया था करने के लिए। मैंने वो चीज डिस्कस कर ली थी तभी जब आपसे बात हुई थी। बट ये सजेशन ठीक है, जो हमारे पोर्टल पे रजिस्टर्ड है हम उनका एक ग्रुप बना देते हैं। ठीक है।
हाँ, पोर्टल पे
इसमें
हमने
मैम
नंबर तो
आप ऑफिस के,
नंबर एंड ईमेल आईडी दिया हुआ है।
हेलो
जी
हेलो।
मैम, इसमें आर्किटेक्ट के साथ साथ ऑफिस के लोगों को भी ऐड कर दीजिए।
ऑफिस वेयर,
नहीं,
ऑफिस
ओबी
वेयर
पास
को
वाले
भी
रहेंगे ना।
भाई टाइल
आरएम ऑफिस।
जी
ओके सर, ठीक है। तो जो हम लोग का इंटरनल ग्रुप है यूपी सीडा के जितने
जी
भी आरएम्स और ड्राफ्ट्समैन वगैरह है, तो उसी में मैं इन सबको ऐड कर लेती हूँ।
ओके ओके।
ठीक है, ओके।
हाँ
हाँ,
उसी
उसमें
के
ऐड कर
अंदर
लीजिए,
कर
उसमें ऐड कर लीजिए मैम, हम लोग को कोई इशू नहीं है। जो भी वो भी पास रजिस्टर्ड है, जो रेगुलर काम कर रहे हैं यूपी सीडा का, एटलीस्ट देयर शुड बी, ऑल आइटेड शुड बी देयर।
ठीक है, I'll add all of you in that group.
Yeah, Mr. Yoganand, I have a few queries regarding that. Lots of things that not mentioned in the manuals, and that the
What?
objection arises when we submit the drawings.
Yeah,
So
please
what
tell
about
me, sir.
that?
Yeah, what is the thing, sir?
The thing is, for
Tell me, sir.
So your voice is breaking. Can you be in a better network area?
like there should be a polyline over there. So where we can get this information?
What error is, sir? Please tell me, sir. I will tell you.
Error is this: the site polyline, front polyline, rear polyline for the residential buildings.
Can
Where
you
this
just
it is
share the drawing,
mentioned.
sir?
Yeah, sure.
1 minute. You please share that.
Yeah, I have shared with Satyam, Mr. Satyam.
यस
Satyam,
सर।
please.
हाँ यस सर, भेजिए सर, भेज दिए।
Satyam, have you shared it with me?
ओके।
Number is 6321. Yeah, number 6321. I
Yeah,
have
please
shared
share.
five or six drawings, but kindly
No,
share with
no,
Mr. Yoganand
no, no. You
6321.
just share me. I will confirm you immediately. No issues.
And one more thing, Mr. Yoganand, there's a lot, always a error I got. There's no bonding rectangle over there. Kindly use
What?
color 61 as per new user manual. So we have cross-checked many times. There is a 61 line in the floor ground layer. Is a
You
polyline,
just
but
tell me the file number, sir. You tell me the file numbers. I will check and
Mr.
confirm with
Yoganand, I
you.
have shared a few files with us, Mr. Satyam. There are 6 to 7 files.
Yeah. Share it, Satyam, please.
Like new types of error
Even sir, I
appears.
forwarded all the drawings.
1 minute. One by one, I will check and confirm. It is 7836 is the first file. I will confirm you.
Yeah, kindly share the screen as well.
One
So we
minute.
can.
I will confirm you. One minute.
We are not very much expert in
1 minute,
DCR.
sir.
This is just
Yeah.
new started thing in the Lucknow. So there
This is
might be some problem from our side as well.
yeah. 1 minute, sir. There are one number of by layer or by lock objects. Change a layer and resubmit. This is your drawing. Okay.
It's not shown.
Sir, your screen is not
Screen is
visible.
visible, no?
No, it's
No.
not visible.
1 minute. Now you are able to see.
No, sir.
No, I have shared my screen.
It's not visible.
1 minute. Now it is visible.
No.
I'll just go out and I'll come back 1 minute.
Okay.
Till then, Kritika ma'am,
Yes, sir.
Ravi is there right now.
No, Ravi is not there.
मैम मैंने आपके यहाँ पे रवि को भी आपको आपका याद नहीं, मैंने आपको शेयर किया नहीं शेयर किया है। जब हम ड्राइंग अपनी ओबी पास से ऑटोकैड की ड्राइंग अप्रूव हो जाती है, उसके बाद में आपका पोर्टल हमको पीडीएफ जनरेट करके वापस भेजता है, जिसको कि हमको उस पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में ही अपने सिग्नेचर करके उसको अपलोड करना होता है
जी।
ओके। लेकिन जो आपकी पीडीएफ कन्वर्ट होके आती है उसकी सारी डायमेंशंस बदल जाती हैं, डबल हो जाता है पूरा स्केल उसका। ये चीज मैंने उसकी ये ड्राइंग, हाँ ये ड्राइंग हाफ हो जाता है स्केल, एक्चुअली नॉट डबल, हाफ हो जाता है।
ओके।
और ये मैंने 2 ड्राइंगें रवि के साथ शेयर भी की थी। अब याद नहीं मैंने आपके साथ शेयर की नहीं की, क्योंकि आपसे बात नहीं हो रही पिछले लंबे टाइम से मेरी। रवि के साथ मैंने शेयर की हैं। उसमें मैंने जो अपनी पीडीएफ बनाई है वो भी मैंने उसको शेयर की है, जिसके अंदर डायमेंशन नॉर्मल आती है, और जो पीडीएफ आपके पोर्टल से जनरेट होके आती है जिसमें की डायमेंशन आधी हो जाती हैं, और उसके ऊपर अथॉरिटी हमारी तरफ से ऑब्जेक्शन लगा दी कि इसमें डायमेंशन आपकी हाफ आ रही है। सपोज प्लॉट साइज इज 20 मीटर बाई 40 मीटर। हमने आपकी ओबी पास से ऑटोकैड ड्राइंग सैंक्शन हो गई, लेकिन जब आपके पोर्टल से वापस पीडीएफ आती है तो उस पर प्लॉट साइज जो होता है 10 बाई 20 रह जाता है। अब बट ऑब्वियस उसको
No, sir.
सैंक्शन नहीं करेगा।
What is the file number, sir?
सर अभी फाइल नंबर मैं आपको नहीं बता पाऊंगा, बिकॉज राइट नाउ आई कांट से एनी फाइल नंबर, बिकॉज राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस
No,
मीटिंग
I will
वाज
take.
एट 11।
No problem. What is the main issue is whenever you are creating a drawing, what you people are doing is you are creating in a different scale. Then what you are doing
okay.
is 1:1 when you are submitting it. What happens is most of the architects what they are doing is they are giving the height in the style itself. You are fixing the height. So what happens when the block is getting exploded, or when the drawing is scaled down, say for example you would have drawn in 1:100 or 1:200, when they are converting into 1:1, automatically dimension height varies. So that is why when we are checking it, the dimension it's coming bigger. We have a solution for that, because what we advise is you don't fix the height in the particular style. Whenever you want it, you just use that height when you are typing the text. When you are creating a style, if you are fixing it, when you are scaling the drawing, this error will occur. This is not a scrutiny error. This is a general drawing AutoCAD error. This is
Can
a
you
general
share
drawing
some
error.
drawings? Can you share some drawings with me
No,
of this format, so we can do the same?
No, sir. What thing is, whenever you are creating a drawing itself, you start creating by 1:1. Only thing
Yeah.
is I will show you. My screen is visible.
Yeah, no, not visible. Now it is visible.
Now it is visible. Say for example, when you are creating a style, you can see here the Arial 100. This height you should not fix it here. If you fix it, whenever you are doing a scale, the problem will occur. Here you should not fix the size at all. Here the size should be 0. Whenever you are using a text file, say for example, I'm going to type some text. So here it is saying
I never opened this window in my computer till now.
Then, okay, no issues. You can just share the file number. I will check and confirm you, sir. And whose
I
drawing
will
is
share
this?
after this.
No problem.
Right
No
now I
problem.
can't. हाँ जी,
योगेश जी, आपको अगर पता है कौन सा प्लॉट है, like whatever, so I can share the application number with him right away.
अभी मैंने फाइल सबमिट किया है, प्लॉट नंबर F6 EPIP ग्रेटर नोएडा।
ओके, ठीक है,
F6
मैं देती हूँ सर।
Whose file is this? There are one number of by layer or by block.
Yeah, it's a Kuldeep Srivastava here.
Yeah.
Mine file.
Now,
I'm not. It's not my main concern, but thing is that when file has been open, let's discuss about it.
No. 7, 8.
Can you show this error? Can you show this error? Please zoom it.
1 minute, I'll show you.
Yeah, same error I found so many
Yeah,
times.
I will tell you the solution, because the problem is in the drawing. This is 7836. I don't know whose drawing is this. If you see here, quick select and color. You see here, the plot boundary color should be 7, but what they are given by layer. It should not be by layer. What you people are doing is, you think that white, so white will accept. The color should be white. It should not be by layer. That is why this error occurs.
Okay.
And one more thing, you have to check it whether by block also is there any object in your drawing. Color by block. It is zero items. So nothing will happen if you clear it, and if you submit it, this drawing will get passed. Because
Mr.
of that, yeah.
Yogananda,
Because
I
of
would,
that, yeah.
yeah,
Please tell me.
I would rather request kindly, is there any manual regarding this? There's a common error that will arises that we can,
Already we
For
have.
particular, yes. For
No, no,
particular
sir.
this problem.
No, our error itself is very
that
clear,
you
sir. There
told
are
us
one, yeah. There
when we
are one
discussed with you,
number of,
then
yeah.
we came to know.
Yeah. No, sir. Error itself we have written very clearly. There are one number of bilayer or bilock objects is found inside smart DCR layer. So then what you have to do is, you have to go for a quick select. It's a simple thing. You have to say color and check the bilayer object. If it is there, it will say.
What you have done? What you have done after quick select?
1 minute. I have done quick select.
Quick
Then
select.
I am going
Then
for color. I am going to filter the color by bilayer, because my error says some object is there in the smart DCR layer, because here only
yeah.
smart DCR layer I have turned on, that is floor ground or floor 1 or floor 2. So I am selecting this and I am saying quick select, then I am saying color, it is in color and equal to bilayer. Now I have already changed it, that is why it is not showing, it is showing 0 items. Previously there was one item, that is plot boundary was in different. You see here, there are two plot boundaries they have kept. One is color 7, and if you clear this, the next error what will happen is, duplicate plot boundary is there. It will give the error. So whenever you are submitting it, you check only one object should be there. If you clear this error, automatically your file will get moved to the next stage.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Yogan. Kindly refer to my drawing 6321, AIN 6321. It's a residential drawing.
No. That is, you have shared
6321, Mr. Satyam.
Is it Pushpendra again?
Sir, Kuldeep Srivastav here.
What is the file number, sir? 6321.
Yeah.
One
It's
minute.
Residential.
1 minute.
Kuldeep, are you from Lucknow?
Yeah, I'm from Lucknow.
कृतिका, क्या आप लोग ये नहीं कर सकते, फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग करवा लो यार हम लोगों की सबकी?
ओके, या ठीक है, तो
आप लोगों के
ग्रुप है उसमें व्हाट आई विल डू इज ऐड ऑल ऑफ यू एंड देन आई विल लेट यू नो.
ये रिक्वेस्ट मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी की थी.
फिजिकल में देखिए, योगानंद सर विल बी एनीवेज कनेक्टेड ऑनलाइन ओनली.
अच्छा,
बाकी अगर वैसे इश्यूज हैं तो वी कैन टेक इट अप.
फिर तो कोई मतलब नहीं रहता. योगानंद जी होने चाहिए फिजिकल, तभी तो फायदा है.
या
Mr. Yoganand, the file number is 6 number objection, 6 number return.
No, 1 minute. 6321, no? 1 minute.
6321, objection number 6. It's a return 6 times. Yeah, Kritika ji, there's one more problem, like portal is not working, helpless portal is not working for the security purpose.
Your drawing is completed, no?
Yeah, drawing has been passed. The drawing has been approved with the help of Mr. Ravi and by yourself. So I'm very much obliged for that. But thing is that I'm not going to disturb you again and again. Thing that we should be clear with the concept.
Yeah, you just tell me what is the error which is not understandable by you in the pre-check return. Which error?
I have shared with Mr. Satyam. Right now, I'm again sharing with him.
You share that error file, please.
I'm sharing the same drawing with Mr. Satyam again. Mr. Satyam, can kindly share the latest drawing.
What is the file number?
6321.
6321.
One minute.
It is already approved, but thing is that I am very much disturbed about this drawing. There's lots of objection that I'm not able to rectify that.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah, this is thing.
Are the objection related to the drawing?
It is setback side to polyline is not found.
Yeah, where it is mentioned in the manual too.
No. Your submission is LIDA or SIDA?
LIDA, sir, for LIDA.
Have you followed the LIDA user manual?
Pardon?
Are you following the LIDA user manual?
I am following the LIDA bylaws. Where the LIDA manual is a separate manual.
Yes, for LIDA there is a separate manual.
Where we can get it?
It is available in the portal. You can ask Ravi. He will tell you where to download it. It is available in the portal.
The thing is that, Mr. Yogananda, that should be on the portal, UPSIDA portal as well.
Yes, it is there.
It is not there. That's why I am telling these things.
No, sir.
I'll share the link with you. Wait.
You see here, it is a separate user manual for LIDA.
Where you have put it? Like where you UPSIDA portal?
Sir, I will share the link with you. You can directly access the manual from there.
It's not in the portal.
Sir, I'm sharing the link with you.
Okay, thank you very much for that. But thing is, it's not on the portal. That's what my grievance like that.
Secondly, I have a request to everyone. I know everyone has Ravi's number and Satyam's number. You all try to call and resolve your issues. But if it will be helpful if you can raise a ticket on the portal itself, so that we are also aligned with the system and to have a record of all the issues that are being raised, and then easily we can prioritize and resolve the issues.
No, ma'am. Sorry to say,
there's no ticket has been arising for the scrutiny purpose. When I raise a ticket,
you have raised a ticket.
Yeah, I have raised a ticket by the others drop down menu, not by the scrutiny.
I know Ravi has been in touch with you for all your issues.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm very grateful to you guys. I'm not saying that you are not helping. You are helping a lot. But thing is, we are not going to disturb you again and again. Things should be clear to us.
Okay, कृत्या मैंने अभी आपको एक ड्राइंग शेयर की है.
हाँ जी योगेश.
इसमें देखिए ऑब्जेक्शन दिखा रहा है पॉलीलाइन का कोई.
मैं सर को फॉरवर्ड कर दूं. मैं सर को फॉरवर्ड कर दूं.
पहले एक बार चेक कर लीजिए उसमें है कि नहीं है. मेरे को
याद नहीं है.
I don't have actually AutoCAD. I think sir will be able to check it.
I will check it. You just forward.
आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना मैम, रवि आजकल फोन नहीं उठा रहा है मेरा. अगेन शिकायत आपके साथ में. कोई भी फोन नहीं उठा रहा है. अभी आकाश बीच में नया आपके यहाँ से मेरे ख्याल न्यू ज्वाइनिंग है आकाश.
अच्छा अभी सर for all of you,
आकाश से बात हो रही है.
Your one single window contact now would be Satyam, who is actually in the call right now, and he will be sitting in UPSIDA office. Officially, he is there for all the 5 days available. So one single point आप please Satyam का रखिएगा. Satyam will get जो आकाश के पास नंबर था, he will be operating that number. So उसी नंबर पे आप उनको कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. कोई भी इश्यूज होगा तो आप पोर्टल पे भी रेस कर सकते हैं. ही विल बी मैनेजिंग ऑल द इश्यूज जो भी आप लोग के हैं, और वो फिल्टर आउट करके जो भी आगे रवि से रिलेटेड हैं वो उनको पास ऑन करेंगे, सो दैट ही कैन रिजॉल्व. और योगानंद सर से भी ही विल कोऑर्डिनेट.
हेलो
Sir, your file number is 4722. What is the, because I am able to see yesterday we have sent you the revised drawing. Have you got it?
Yeah, I got it. I got it and submitted it and got it sanctioned from there. But earlier there was one last objection.
You need to
about polyline.
You need to send the written drawing. You are sending the submission drawing. 1 minute. Let me take the written drawing. 1 second.
Mr. Yogaran, there's a common error that I get the missing mandatory item. Entwined drawings should be inside 61 color boundary rectangle. Check the new user manual. That is common error I get in every drawing, almost all the drawings.
No.
What is that?
No. If you give the drawing, I will explain you why the error occurs. Because your color 61 boundary, it should be in 0,0. Whether it is there or not, we have to check it. Because for all other files, because we don't have any manual intervention at all, automatically file will get passed from the scrutiny, and we don't have a manual thing. So if you give me the file number, I will check and confirm you what is the error, why the error occurs. Because
I've shared
Yogananji,
this
this
with Satyam.
drawing,
I shared this
one
with
minute,
Satyam. 5175.
5175. 1 minute, sir. Let me finish this.
5175.
Yogananji, with the drawing which you are seeing right now, 4772. Earlier,
Yes.
it was the same what Satyam is saying, that
Wait 1 minute, sir. I will
color
tell you,
61
sir.
is not a 0 and 0.
That is what I will explain you, sir. Because this polyline geometry problem, polyline is 0. It is very clearly mentioned other floor ground. If you
It
press
is
control,
not visible on your desktop. It's
1
not
minute, sir.
visible.
1
Screen
minute.
is not visible.
1 minute. Let me.
Mr. Yogananda, if it will be very helpful for us if there is
1
any
minute, 1 minute, sir.
booklet
1
for
minute,
that,
sir. 1 minute, sir.
common
1
errors
minute, sir.
and their remedies.
1
Common
minute, sir.
error.
Let me tell you,
Like
sir.
you.
1 minute. Sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
This is
Thank you.
the, now my screen is visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Polyline geometry problem, polyline area is 0. I have given the coordinates also. Directly you can check it. I will use control. I have cleared this drawing. Nothing. What you have done is gate color 161. You have to draw it as a line. You have drawn as a polyline. That is why this error occurred.
Earlier,
One,
I had wait a minute. Earlier, drawing a plot number R48 I have submitted, and there was a polyline,
no way.
and it was clear from there.
No. You can just check the drawing because as per the user manual, color main gate color number 61, 161, it should be. Sir, one more thing, if you follow the user manual correctly, the error itself will not occur. Say for example, gate I have very clearly, we have given, please draw it as line. If you draw it as line, error will not occur. If you draw it as a polyline, error will occur. That is the problem. Say for
Okay,
example, this polyline,
got
all
it.
polyline should be closed. There is no require for the error. Already we have mentioned it. And building height. Say for example, boundary wall. Boundary wall, I have asked you to draw as a line. If you draw as a polyline only, error will occur. If you draw it correctly, then error will not occur at all. Again, building height. Say for example, height of the building. We are saying kindly draw as line, but most of the people are drawing as polyline.
No,
Then
got it.
only because if you follow the user manual, error will not occur at all. Whatever we say in the user manual, you need to implement it in the drawing. If it is line means line, polyline means polyline, and M text is not allowed. If you give text, only 3 objects you are going to draw in the drawing. One is polyline, another one is line, and another one is text. That's all. You should not use M text because we have clearly mentioned in the user manual, you should not use text. And other unavoidable errors and how the error will occur is if more number of vertexes, anything else. Say for example, in polyline only, this polyline should have 4 vertexes. By mistake, if you have drawn 5 vertexes or one small point, one above other, some error will occur, which may want to be understandable, which we will explain to you. Other than that, all errors we have made it easily to identify. Say for example, we have given the coordinate also to find it. So you don't know, you just go for line command.
There are
Finish.
two things, Yogananji. There are two
Yeah.
things. One is
Please tell me.
polyline geometry, and another one is some offset. Please check it.
1 minute.
Please remove this polyline. Please drag it this polyline.
1 minute.
Now, what is there?
Both the error belongs to this. Both the error belongs to this polyline only. Because
Polyline or line?
yeah, for this color 161 only. It should be as line, so we are checking it. So it is writing 2 errors. One is that it should be as a line, and we are checking one more thing that is also not satisfied. That is why 2 errors are coming. So if you draw it as line and
Error should the errors which you are providing these errors should be in that manner which can be understandable. Like it should be clearly mentioned that don't use polyline on this point, use a line. It is showing something else and हम लोगों को पता ही नहीं चलता क्या कह रहा है.
No, that is what we are saying, sir. For some of the errors, we have given very clearly. For color 96, line is indented. We can change that. That is not a problem. We can change it. No issues.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah, yeah. We will change the error. No issues.
Yeah, Mr. Yoganan, kindly remedy for my error test.
What
Bonding
is the
rectangle
file?
61.
Huh?
That is common error I used to get in every drawing, almost all the drawings.
Yeah, you give me that. You send me the file number.
Yeah, I
which you
have
got
shared
placed.
with Mr. Satyam. I again sharing that.
Kuldeep ji, can you just tell the number? Because Satyam
If you
has
tell the
already
number
shared.
also, I can take it. That's not an issue.
5175.
1 minute. Yesterday I have given, no? On 20th, we have cleared.
Yes, yes, yes.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute. You have shared. Satyam, please share the drawing, return drawing and original drawing.
Yoganan sir, the drawings that I have shared in that 5175 is there. If you can just scroll up.
Yeah, yeah, 5175. Okay.
But I guess this is the approved drawing or the earlier one.
It is approved by the drawing sent by Mr. Yoganan that got sanctioned.
But we need the
No, no,
file
he's
in which
asking
error was being.
why the error was there. Let me confirm.
ग्रीन पेपर की आपको जरूरत है हमारी ग्रीन मुझे पता नहीं था ग्रीन लग रहा है गार्जियन है कि हमारे रीजन पर
कुलदीप जी, मैंने चैट में लिंक डाल दिया है लीडा का जो मैनुअल अवेलेबल है पोर्टल पे. You can check that. सत्यम का नंबर मैंने चैट में शेयर कर दिया है. Everyone, if you can
Hello.
check it. Hello.
Yeah. What is the architect name?
I think Kuldeep ji. Yeah, he has joined. Kuldeep ji, are you there?
Hello. Hello.
Kuldeep ji, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, actually, what we have done is most of the case it will be there will be some object because say for example, sometime what some of the people will do is the text 1 minute. Text will be coming outside that color 61. Due to that also error occurs, but which will not be identified by you. Say for example, what they will do is
हाँ बढ़िया हूँ, होती तो
Something it will be like that. Okay, if you selected this particular origin goes out of the color 61. Okay, so similarly,
Okay. There's one reason. Okay.
That is one reason. And what I am saying is, if nothing is there in the, if you get the error once again, what you have to do? Kindly delete it and create a new one. That's all.
Yeah, Mr. Yogan, I did it 3 or 4 times, but again I am getting the same message. I have expanded the rectangle, I have reduced the rectangle, I did everything.
No. Actually, we also did the same thing, and we have given nothing other than that. We have
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So next
Got it,
time,
got
what
it,
you
got it,
can
got
do
it.
is you
Yogananji,
please,
sometime it disappears automatically.
Which one?
This issue, this problem, the same the Kuldeep is saying. Sometimes it disappear automatically.
No, maybe automatically means I don't know, because sometimes what
I
will
don't know.
happen
I
is,
don't know.
yeah. Okay, let us
It's a
also.
very normal. It's very usual problem. The same
Okay.
problem occurs in my drawings also, but I'm not able to do anything with that. But I don't know how it disappears.
We are also not doing anything, sir. Okay, next time what
Yeah.
I'm asking you is, if you can try for 3-4 times, maximum 5 times. If the error comes immediately, you just share that details with the Satyam will forward it to me. Don't try for 10, 15, 20 times and all. Please don't try it. You just try for 3 times, 4 times. You want to do it by yourself. Fifth time you can try it. Sixth time directly you can send it, because nothing we are doing any magic and all. Only thing is the user manual. We are checking it, and if it is line and everything comes correct, automatically scrutiny passes. And one more error is block error and bile error. Try it for 4-5 times, and immediately, if it is not, you are having any issues, you can contact Satyam, and he will send the drawing, and I will check and confirm you. Next time what I will do is, I will not do the correction, I will tell what to be done, then you do that and submit it.
Yes,
That will be very helpful for us.
that will be better.
Yes, yeah,
That will
that
be
I
better.
will
That's
tell
what we
you.
are asking for. That's what
That
we
I
are
will tell
asking
you.
for.
That we will check locally, and I will tell that this has to be done in the drawing. You please do that. Then automatically
Yes,
you will get experienced on that particular thing. Next time I will do that.
yes,
I will not send the
yes,
revised
yes,
one. I will send what to be done.
Very helpful for us.
yes.
Very helpful.
Yeah,
Very,
yeah.
That will be
very
Yeah.
that
beneficial
will
for
be
us.
really helpful for us.
Sure. I will do that, because my humble request is, if you follow the user manual correctly, the error will not occur at all. Yes. If you want to try it leisurely, you can sit for not more than 1 hour or 2 hours. If you draw the drawing correctly, error will not occur at all. In a single shot, I have seen so many architects have taken a drawing in 1 or 2 times itself. The file got completed only with minor errors.
Mr.
Right
Yoganand,
now, I got only 2 drawings in a single shot. Only 2 drawings out of my
Anyway,
17 drawings.
you have drawn correctly, because that two
Yeah.
drawing may be on your highest priority.
Mr. Yoganand,
Yeah, please.
last drawing. This is my last drawing. 5826, 5826
56
underscore 3.
5
5826.
1 minute.
पास को भेज दें, उसके बाद क्या करना है?
ये समझो तो सही कि नक्शा पास कैसे करना है, कैसे ड्राइंग।
अरे सब यार पास कर रहे हैं, जो मेन फीस का इश्यू है साला, बार वो फीस नहीं सही लेते हैं। वो कहते हैं बढ़ोतरी हो गई, साल 2 साल में रिटायर हो रहे हैं, FAR ग्राउंड कवरेज सेटबैक, यही सब चीज देखनी होती है, बाकी भाड़ में यही देख लेते हैं।
कृतिका, आपके डिपार्टमेंट का किसी का ओपन है शायद?
5826 underscore 6, sir.
No, it's a underscore 3.
No. Now you have come for 6 times. You have submitted. Now the latest one is 6.
But thing is, the objection is arises what that need to discuss.
1 minute. You want to discuss on the 3? Okay.
3, yeah.
But 3 was on submitted on 9th of this month.
Recently shared with Mr. Satyam.
No. Entire drawings.
Yeah, that, exactly. Need to provide the basement projection. Boundary. There's no basement over there.
Then
How
why you
this
have
objection
given?
came?
No. Then why you have given this one? We have also seen some colors are there. Okay. I
Basement
will
layer.
check. I will check and confirm you. This one I will check and confirm you. I will tell what is the now the file is not completed. No, 1 minute. Now you are able to see here. Your error is here. Drawing is somewhere else. You are able to see that. Hello. Hello.
Kuldeep ji, are you there?
Kuldeep ji, you are muted, I think. Please unmute yourself.
Unmuted myself.
Yeah. No. Maybe that basement I will check and confirm you if they would have done any changes or anything else they would have missed and we would have corrected it. And this error, the last
Yeah.
thing is you see here where is your drawing error is here somewhere here, but you see where is your drawing located? It is not in the screen. Your object is somewhere something outside the object. In this time what you have to do is go for erase all and you say remove this object alone, then enter. Now you can see 143 objects, it is outside the boundary. Now again still some more objects are there.
So how do we can get to know that there is object over there?
You just check it. You have to, if you put zoom extent itself, it will you can see. You see your object somewhere here and so many objects are there. So now what
I'm
I'm
not.
going,
I think nobody is able to see that object over there.
no, I will show you in the screen.
Yeah.
You see here it is taking much time because some objects insertion point are somewhere outside.
So what is the command to reinstate the hidden objects?
No,
To
what
unhide
you
the
have to, no, whatever you have drawn inside that color 61, go for erase all and remove that objects present inside that color 61 and then you press enter, automatically other objects will be erased. 1 minute.
Kuldeep, I think we need to take the AutoCAD classes again.
Right, sir.
Yeah. Now you can see here your object drawing contains 60,474 found and 76 is outside. Now I have removed it.
According to this software,
You see that.
हम लोग को जितना ऑटोकैड सीखा है वो सब बेकार था
हाँ बिल्कुल ऐसी लग रहा है
क्योंकि इनका लेयरिंग सिस्टम बिल्कुल अलग है, लाइन वेट लाइन लेंथ इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है इनको जो बच्चे जो ड्रॉ करते हैं पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करते हैं कि ये ऑब्जेक्ट इस कलर का, ये ऑब्जेक्ट इस कलर का,
बस
मतलब टेक्निकलिटी का कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
टेक्निकलिटी का कोई लेना नहीं, एक्चुअली सॉफ्टवेयर ने जो चीज ले ली बस सॉफ्टवेयर को हमें फॉलो करना है बस।
हाँ बस फॉलो करना है। सरकार को
ऐसा क्यों बात करेंगे? टेक्निकलिटी तो है ना, वो तो बैकएंड पे चेक होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि टेक्निकलिटी नहीं है।
नहीं मैडम, हम लोग जो लेयर में
हम अलग टेक्निकलिटी, हम लोग अपनी टेक्निकलिटी की बात कर रहे हैं,
डिफाइंड होती हैं। हम जो अपनी लेयर में आर्किटेक्चरल ड्राइंग बनाते हैं तो उसमें सारी चीज ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड होती हैं। आपकी एक बात
कोई लेना देना नहीं है इनका।
हाँ, उनसे कोई लेना देना नहीं, उनसे कहा कि भैया तुम तो जीरो कर दो, अब
उनको जीरो कर दो, अब हमारी बताओ, उनको सबको जीरो लेयर में कर दो पहले।
सब जीरो में कर दो, जितना किया जा रहा है।
कुलदीप जी प्लीज चैट पे चेक कर लीजिए, मैंने लिंक शेयर कर दिया लीडा का मैनुअल का।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू।
Kritika, can you tell me how many architects have joined this meeting today? I think 2 or 3 maximum.
अभी because there are a lot of names जो डिवाइस के नेम है, so I cannot it is from the
आपके ऑफिस बेयरर्स भी होंगे ना बहुत सारे, तो इनमें
आप बोल दो ना।
नहीं
बोल तो दो, क्या हुआ, कोई जरूरी थोड़ा कि वो भी।
आई थिंक आरएम आगरा से कोई किसी ने ज्वाइन किया है एंड आरएम लखनऊ, रेस्ट एवरीवन इज फ्रॉम ओके POTTSCTL, बस बाकी तो आर्किटेक्ट्स।
हेलो कृतिका मैडम, मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
जी सर, गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। यूजर मैनुअल मतलब दे दीजिए
सर। सर वेबसाइट पे ही अवेलेबल है ओबी पास का, जहाँ लॉग इन करते हैं ना वहां पर ये ट्यूटोरियल्स के सेक्शन में सारे यूजर मैनुअल्स है।
ठीक है मैडम। अच्छा मैडम, ये बेसमेंट का जो है फीस वो नहीं क्लियर ली जाती है? बेसमेंट वाला जिसमें इस ड्राइंग में बेसमेंट होता है उसमें फीस क्लियरिटी नहीं आती है, फीस में कमी रह जाती है।
सर किस तरह की कमी रही वो
कहाँ से
मैं
बोल
आपको
बेसमेंट में फीस में बहुत कमी रहती है मैडम।
कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं?
TDS हाँ सर, ये इशू मैं आपसे सेपरेटली डिस्कस करूं क्योंकि ये ड्राइंग से रिलेटेड नहीं है ना, तो मुझे अगर वहां पे ATP सेक्शन में कंफर्म करना पड़ेगा फीस को लेके, तो मैं आपसे डिस्कस करके आगे टेक
ये
नहीं नहीं,
नोट कर
छोटा
लीजिए
सा
वहाँ
मैं बता दूं थोड़ा सा। मैं
बोलिए
योगेश
योगेश।
त्यागी बोल रहा हूँ। एक्चुअली होता क्या है, जिस टाइम पे आपकी ड्राइंग अपलोड कर रहे होते हैं उस टाइम में वो एक एक जगह पे ना डेटा मांगता है बहुत सारा। उसमें कई बार लोग बाग केवल वो एरिया डाल देते हैं जो FAR का एरिया है, जबकि वो बोलता है FAR प्लस नॉन FAR सारा एरिया उसमें डालो, जिसमें कि आपका बेसमेंट स्टिल्ट जितना भी एरिया मल्टी एरिया सब डालना है। और इसकी वजह से वो फीस जितना भी एरिया आप डालोगे फीस उसके हिसाब से कैलकुलेट करता है वो। अगर वहां पे एरिया उसने कम डाला तो वो फीस कम ही कैलकुलेट करेगा। अगर वो बेसमेंट का एरिया, कई बार क्या करता है जो आर्किटेक्ट है बेसमेंट का एरिया उसमें डालता नहीं है, वो केवल FAR वाला एरिया डाल देता है, जिसकी वजह से वो फीस कम आती है हमेशा।
Mr. Yoganand, I would request one thing. If the existing building over there, you have in the new manual there is a provision for the existing color code, but there's no
Yes.
provision for that to be demolished.
Sir, to be demolished means it should be as a new drawing only.
To be demolished के लिए
some building over there in the setback, then it need to be demolished. Then there should be color code for the same as well.
there is no color code for that, Kuldeep. You can do in default layer.
That we are doing the
मैंने
default
किया
layer, but
किया।
if the area to be demolished, then the RM office, whatever the UPCT office, they required how much area they are going to demolish, and they
उसी में
need
लिख
affidavit
देते
for
हैं।
that.
हाँ, they need affidavit for that.
So that's why that should be in the OB pass as well.
That is there, but they don't check it, and उसको ना by default में मतलब एक वॉल की लेयर में डाल के ऐसे छोड़ देते हैं, उसका इन लोगों से कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
That's we are doing, but if the drawing is complete without the demolition, that is drawing is incomplete supposed to be.
हाँ
There's a provision for the demolition as well. I think like it should be there.
Okay, Kritika, please make a note, and I will also make a note. Hello.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yeah. Please make a note, and we will discuss. And you send the drawing, please. So based on that, we will check.
For the demolition.
Yes.
Yes sir.
The same drawing I have shared the drawing with the of demolition.
No. What is the drawing number?
Just
You tell me the number. We will take it.
yeah.
Your drawing is completed.
Okay.
5175.
Like the same drawing that you were discussing. The same drawing. That is the drawing. There's a demolition area over there.
1 minute. Let me open it. Where?
No, not this one. Not this one.
This is 5175.
Yeah, it's a total new. But thing is that in this map, there's some area that isn't previously approved, and now that they are making. But I have written over there. Kindly zoom the drawing.
No. What is my question is whether it is inside the setback boundary or outside the building boundary.
In the setback area, the setback there lots of building had been constructed. Then the final submission we need to show it to be demolished.
No. Actually, as per Upsida thing, I in the user manual I have shown no. These are the 1 minute. These are the guard room shall be drawn as. These are the items which is allowed in the setback as per the bylaw book. We have gone through it and we have given this in the user manual.
apart from all these things,
No,
there
you
is
are
some other
talking
building
about
object over there.
proposal. You are talking about proposals.
Correct.
And Kuldeep is talking about existing areas, which
Correct.
has
That
to
is
be demolished.
that is existing area in the setback. How we will identify that? Because in the outside the setback boundary, we are not checking at all, because these are the objects to be checked as
Mr.
per this.
Yugan, you are not checking. You are not checking, but RM office of Upsida, they used to check it. They used to get affidavit from the client, and they need the area on that.
Okay.
So there should
then
be the
what you
drawing
can do is what we can do is, don't mention in the drawing area to be demolished. Kritika ma'am, please make a note. We will take an input and we will show it.
Like if you go to my drawing 7431, it's already approved. But in that drawing, there's an existing area there. I have written to be demolished.
7.
Since the didn't.
Yoganand sir, the input that you are saying, whether it has to be done in the form that is generated?
Yeah. In the CAF, they have to do that. Because
I see you.
7431. Okay, I will check it. This has to be. They can't be checked in the drawing. This has to be checked in the input, and based on the input, they can decide it. We will discuss and confirm.
Okay. Thank you.
No. That area. Why they want that area? Because you are going to demolish it, and we are going to calculate the ground coverage. Yeah.
Actually, they want area for the affidavit purpose.
Then the affidavit purpose means you mentioned it in the CAF. What is
No.
the area to be going to be demolished?
Yeah, that
We
should
have
be
to.
synchronized with the approved drawing and the client affidavit.
No. Approved drawing means then you have nothing, but you have to draw it in existing color. But if you draw it in existing color, and if it is outside the setback boundary, automatically pre-check will return. Because in the current proposal, objects outside the setback boundary is not allowed.
We are doing the same thing, Mr. Yoganand. We make in the zero layer and write it to be demolished. There's no connection with the Obpas scrutiny engine.
No.
It goes through.
No. What is my question?
Same I am
is
doing. Same I am doing.
1 minute. No. What is my question is, the area to be verified in the drawing, or only input alone is okay? Hello.
Please mute कर दीजिए. Hello.
Yeah. No. What is my question is whether the input alone is sufficient, or input plus area to be checked. That is my question. Hello. 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 Can you hear me?
Haji.
No. What is my question is, only input alone is okay, or you want that to be shown in the drawing, and we need to extract that area and we need to show it in the report? That is what my question.
You should show that in report at least.
No. Because as per the current proposal, outside setback boundary is not allowed. So if the area is
I'm not talking
demolished,
about outside. I'm not talking about outside setback boundary. Inside the setback boundary. If the area is legal, in that case, you can show.
No. He said for affidavit, for inside the boundary also, they want to check the area.
Kuldeep.
Hello.
Kuldeep has gone.
Yeah, sir, बताइए.
No. What is my question is, only input is sufficient, taking the input from your side and showing it in the CAF, or the same thing you need to show it in the drawing also?
In the user manual 2.0, they have already incorporated the existing building, the color coding for that. So there's over there.
No. That existing building means it will not be counted on the, if it is the building is in the setback thing, the error will come. Setback error will come. Non-violation error, non-complaint will come. If you draw it on the not providing the proper setback, surely the error will come. That
Any
is for
building
the,
inside the setback area, that is okay. If not, it is not
yeah.
mentioned earlier.
Yes, correct. What the current system is having is inside the setback boundary. I'm not talking about the outside the setback boundary. Outside
That
the
you have
setback,
incorporated
yeah.
the 2.0.
Yes, correct. If you are saying that outside the setback boundary area to be, that is what my question is, area to be demolished, whether input alone is sufficient or you need to show it in the drawing, and the same thing should reflect in the report.
We are doing the same thing in the floor ground in the zero layer, and we write it area to be demolished. It's not to be detected by the scrutiny engine.
Correct, but I will not direct it, but surely you are going to demolish it. Now, in this case, what I'm saying is, if you draw existing means we need to develop and we need to show separately. What is the purpose of area showing in the scrutiny report, or only on the web it is okay? My question is whether it should be shown in the CAF, means Ravi will show in the form that existing demolition area is this much. So officer see that. That is sufficient, no?
Sir, I'll discuss it with the department itself. So, because they must be having some other perception. So, let me discuss it with them and then we'll.
Yeah, because we
inform.
need to develop it and we need to check that.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Yoganathan, I would like to request one more thing. Like in the West Bengal Obpas, there is any manual over there, like common error, missing items, for the possible remedy for that. If you can publish same type of manual for the UP-SIDA Obpas, it will be very helpful for us.
Okay, sure, sir. We'll do that.
Okay, thank you. But thing is that if it's possible that there should be meeting in the fortnightly or monthly on the basis, like we can, if there query, like new query arises and new things arises, we can discuss it with you.
Yeah, sure, sir. That you can discuss with Kritika and she can plan it accordingly.
So Kritika ji,
And
kindly
please
arrange a
inform
meeting
timely.
fortnightly or monthly.
I am just in the process of creating that group also, adding all of you. Give me some time. Once that group is created, all of you are added, then I'll post messages and then we can share that there itself when to schedule next training and whatever the issues are. Okay.
Okay, that will help us.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Anyone else?
Can we leave?
किसी और का कोई issue? No, I'm just checking if anyone else has any issue. किसी और आर्किटेक्ट का कोई इशू है रिलेटेड टू ड्राइंग? प्रवीण जी, आपके इश्यूज रिजॉल्व्ड है? कल्याण सिंह जी, आपने अभी ज्वाइन किया है क्या?
प्रवीण अग्रवाल?
He was there. I think there are no more queries abhi.
अभी कोई क्वेरी नहीं है मैम. लेटर जैसे जैसे प्रॉब्लम आएंगे वैसे वैसे आपको बता देंगे. एक ग्रुप डेवलप कर लीजिए जिसमें हम लोगों को इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती रहे.
जी.
ये जो प्रॉब्लम है वो सॉर्ट आउट होती है.
तो जो जितने भी आर्किटेक्ट्स हैं जिन्होंने रजिस्टर किया है ओपी पास के पोर्टल पे, आपके नंबर भी है वहां पर, तो हम वहां से आपका नंबर लेके आपका ग्रुप क्रिएट कर देंगे. अभी मतलब मैंने ग्रुप क्रिएट कर दिया, आप लोग को ऐड करना हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं.
अभी कृतिका, मैंने सुना है कि यूपी सीडा आर्किटेक्ट्स का एनपेनलमेंट कर रहा है इस काम के लिए. क्या कुछ ऐसा है क्या अदर देन दिस रजिस्ट्रेशन?
No, I am not aware about that.
Okay.
Okay, sir, that is not possible actually. That is not as per the council rules. For map approving purpose,
Yeah, I know.
But in construction design and architectural consultancy, there should be panel for that, but not for the.
वो अलग है. हाँ. That is, you are talking about CNDS.
There is lots of construction agency over there, but they are for the construction architectural consultancy. Yes, not we are doing the architectural consultancy for the UPCDA. We are the freelancer and we are doing for our clients.
Yes.
So there's no panelment issues should be there. I don't think they will go for that.
वो गलत उसमें उठा हुआ है, हमारे किसी गोरखपुर के उसने उठाया हुआ है.
Okay, sir. I guess there are no more issues related to drawing, जो कि you have to put up or discuss with Yoganand sir. So the key takeaways are कि जो firstly जो demolish करने वाला जो demolishment वाले जो cases है, we will discuss it with UPSIDA officials for मतलब कैसे process करना है. So if we have to customize a form, we will take it up. Secondly, the common errors that are there in the drawing. We will share a document or we'll upload it on
possible remedies.
Possible remedies on the tutorial section itself, wherein you can check and further refer it for any for submission of the drawing. Then the first issue that was discussed was regarding the drawing, the PDF that is generated. I guess Yogesh, your question, whatever error was there, it is resolved. If you can check that.
No, it's not resolved right now because I'm not prepared with that. I'm not on my system. So
yeah,
मैं
just
उसको
check
करके
it
देख
and let
लेता.
me know. Check and let me know. So accordingly, I'll put it up. Size the
उसकी
PDF
जो
is done. Multiple drawings का आपका जो ऐसा था ना, जो first case I think Asian Paints का जो case discuss हुआ था कि there should be जो scrutiny से generate होके PDF आती है उसका क्या alternative हो सकता है, so that's more visible for आपके for further processing. That's it. Any other point which I have left? I think these are the 4 major points that we have discussed today.
One more thing I would like.
Hello.
So you're not audible, sir.
इनके जो आप रिजोल्यूशन डालेंगे ना मैम, जो रिजॉल्व करके आप इसको बताएंगे, अगर इनके वीडियो डाल दें तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा.
What I'll do is कि जो
we
अभी
ask for the
session
Nivesh Mitra user ID password. After that we can get to submit it. If we get the authority to submit the drawing.
कुलदीप जी आपकी आवाज बीच में कट गई थी. I cannot get what exactly you're trying to say. बाकी ये जो वीडियो का आप बात कर रहे हैं, तो whatever points have been discussed आज की, because this session has been recorded, so what I'll do is उसी में इस जो आज उन्होंने बताया है जैसे, so we'll try to cut a section of that and then upload it on the portal.
Done.
I got disconnected. My issue was that we get authority to get it submitted by our user ID and password, not by the Nivesh Mitra user ID password of the client. Is it possible?
Sir, Nivesh, no, because that has been done mandatory from the department.
That we need to get the password from the client and we need to open the Nivesh Mitra and then we need to feed the client user ID password. Then when we have appointed an architect, then we should have the authority to submit it. After that, the client will pay all the fees.
You have been authorized on behalf of the applicant on the UPSIDA portal.
So why we are using his personal user ID password? We should use our own personal ID, architect user ID and password. Na? We are using the client user ID and password. That is personal things.
सही कह रहे हैं कृतिका, वो ये कह रहे हैं कि हम जैसे
जो यूनिट आईडी होती है, ये यूनिट आईडी क्रिएट होती है, दैट इज द यूनिक व्हिच पीपल इन यूपीसीडा फॉलो. वो यूनिक आईडी क्या आप जनरेट कर सकते हो किसी प्लॉट का?
नहीं, you are not getting my point. You guys are.
I got your point. I got your point कि when
नहीं, ये कह रहे हैं कि जैसे आपने हमारा उस पे पोर्टल जनरेट किया हुआ है, हमारे पोर्टल पे रिक्वेस्ट आती है क्लाइंट की, हम उसके बाद जब उसको फॉलो करते हैं, उसको अप्लाई करते हैं, तो हमको निवेश मित्रा पे जाना पड़ता है उसकी आईडी के साथ. ये कह रहे हैं कि क्या हम अपनी आईडी से कर सकते हो उसको?
अपने पोर्टल से, उसी पोर्टल से जिससे हमने लॉगिन किया है.
मैं वही
जो हमारा पोर्टल है.
कुलदीप जी, मैं वही कह रही हूँ कि सबसे पहला कि निवेश मित्र से इंटीग्रेशन होके आना चाहिए. ये मैंडेट यूपीसीडा से आया है, पहले हमारे पे ही था, पर बाद में निवेश मित्र का बोला गया इंटीग्रेशन होना है. सेकेंडली, जो निवेश मित्र के का जो डैशबोर्ड फॉलो होता है, उसमें यूनिट आईडी से दे ट्रैक डाउन किसी भी एप्लीकेशन को. हमारे में जैसे AIN नंबर होता है, एप्लीकेशन आइडेंटिफिकेशन नंबर, निवेश मित्र पे यूनिट आईडी इज अ यूनिक आईडी. तो वो यूनिक आईडी, जो यूनिट आईडी है, जो प्लॉट का अलॉटमेंट होता है, वो आप अपने से नहीं कर सकते हो ना, आर्किटेक्ट के यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड से.
नो
अब हमारे पास रिक्वेस्ट यूनिट आईडी से आया है, निवेश मित्रा की यूनिट आईडी से हमारे पास रिक्वेस्ट है, हम उसी से फिर आगे प्रोसीड करें। आपके AIN
पर निवेश मित्र पे वो फॉर्म जनरेटेड नहीं है ना।
चले, एक
इसका थोड़ा
मेरा
एक
सजेशन
बहुत
था,
थोड़ा
जी जी
प्रोसीजर थोड़ा लंबा है, बिकॉज निवेश मित्र पे अगर हम कुछ भी चेंज करेंगे तो हमें वापस से चेंज करके उनसे टेस्टिंग करानी होगी, वो फिर पूरा जितना सिस्टम चल रहा है अभी वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा।
एक्चुअली निवेश मित्रा इनके हाथ में नहीं है, निवेश मित्रा
जी जी हाँ,
NIC में, तो
डिफरेंट
वो
आइडेंटिटी।
इनको इसलिए दिक्कत है। हाँ, ये ओबी पास इनके हाथ में है।
जी जी
हाँ, जो ये वाला इंटरफेस है वो पूरा हम देखते हैं।
शुड वी लीव नाउ?
या मैं वही पूछ रही हूँ, अगर मतलब आई हैव समराइज्ड द पॉइंट्स व्हिच वर डिस्कस्ड, इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग एल्स वी कैन ड्रॉ दिस, वी आर डन आई गेस। और ग्रुप में बना दूंगी, फिर आई शेयर द पॉइंट्स इन दैट ग्रुप आल्सो।
ओके, थैंक
वो
यू
ग्रुप आपने बना भी दिया है, उस पे मैंने ऐड
बन
कर
गया।
भी लिया है।
हाँ,
बन गया।
और आप लोग, हाँ नहीं, ग्रुप तो मैंने बना दिया था, सत्यम वाज पैरेलली एडिंग ऑल ऑफ यू। तो और बिकॉज जो नंबर्स हैं हम उस पर ऐड कर रहे हैं, इफ देयर इज एनीवन एल्स whom you feel should be in this group, you can add yourself also। मतलब आप नंबर डाल दो तो we can add that person in that group।
ओके,
ओके, चलिए,
थैंक यू
थैंक यू,
थैंक यू थैंक यू, बाय।
थैंक यू योगानंद सर।
थैंक यू मैम। पुष्पेंद्र जी का एक इशू था।
हाँ जी,
पुष्पेंद्र जी का एक इशू था।
पुष्पेंद्र जी का क्या इशू है?
पुष्पेंद्र जी अवेलेबल है कि नहीं?
नहीं, आई गेस
शुरू में थे जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था पुष्पेंद्र जी।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक ठीक।
ठीक है, चलिए, थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू।
ओके, थैंक यू, बाय।
थैंक यू कृतिका जी, थैंक यू सत्यम जी, थैंक यू मिस्टर
थैंक
योगानंद।
यू, बाय बाय।